It is my 19th birthday in 2 days. I'm just about to head off to go and get my nails done because look how long they are. And one broke last night. I don't know if you can see. So we're going to get them fixed. And I thought I'd take you guys along with me on my very busy week and a few days before my birthday and a little birthday vlog because I have a lot of prep to do before my birthday and then I'm doing a lot for my birthday. So we are going to go and get my nails done now. I need to leave. I've got 20 minutes until my appointment. I've just had PT, came back, quickly had a shower, got ready, and I'm now ready to go get my nails done. And then I have some prep to do today for my after school club, and then tomorrow I'm gonna go get my hair done and I'm gonna celebrate with my family. I've got a very busy week this week. Now let's go and get these nails sorted. Honestly, I think these are the longest that they've ever been. 4.5 weeks I've gone without getting them done. Let's go. Let's go.
What are you thinking of today anyway?
I don't know. I do and I don't because I'm thinking French tip as always.
Of course.
But maybe chrome just to add a little something.
And it's not too out there, is it? It's
No.
still really good. You're still not going to see much of the gap.
I just got back home. Here are my nails. I went for a French tip with chrome and then the K as always. Now I need to go inside and I need to start working and preparing for my after school club today. Tomorrow we have a very exciting day. Tomorrow is definitely going to feel a lot more like my birthday because today I feel like it doesn't really feel like my birthday's even close, even though it's literally 2 days away. So let's go because I've got a lot of work to do. Good morning everyone. It is 1 day until my birthday. It's my birthday tomorrow. Me and Mum are on our way to Rosie's. We're going to go on a walk with Rosie and Danielle, getting our steps in early this morning. Then I have a very busy day today. I have lots of prep to do for tomorrow. Then I'm going to go get my hair cut. And then we're seeing all the family later, which I'm so excited for because like I said, we're not doing it tomorrow like we usually do because we're doing something else, which I'm just as excited for. Mum, you ready for our walk?
Get my steps in.
I think we're going to start doing this more often on Wednesdays, I think. It is 7:43 in the morning. Like I said, we're up very early, but let's go on our walk. Hello everyone. I have done my walk, that was really nice, with Rosie, Mum and Aunt Danielle. We went to Rosie's for a little bit and we were just having a little chat about work and everything like that. And then I came home, had a shower, washed my hair and started baking. Did forget to film because I literally had so much to do before I need to leave now. I think I'm probably a bit late to go and get my hair cut. Just thinking to get a little bit off. I don't know how much to get off yet. I'll have to see when I get there. But hopefully she doesn't cut it all off because I don't want that. But let's go to the hairdressers so I can get my hair done for my birthday. My hair is done. Here is what it looks like. I literally just had a little bit off because I just wanted it to look a little bit fresher and it feels so much healthier as well. I literally never get my hair cut, so I'm very glad that I got it done, and I probably will start getting it done a bit more often. Now I'm going to go home. I have a few more bits of work to do, so I'll show you what I've been making today because like I said, I forgot to show you guys. And then I need to get ready to go to the pub for some dinner. In front of me is everything that I made before I got my hair done. So I made a brownie, Kinder Millionaire shortbreads, chocolate chip cookies, Oreo cookies and double chocolate chip cookies, the rest of the batch of Oreo cookies and Biscoff cookies. So now I need to bake all of the cookies, cut up both of these, and then get ready. The cookies are all done, so now it's time to get ready. We're actually going to the pub where Brooke works. So Brooke's already left, and then everyone else is going to go in a little while. But I'm just going to get ready. I think I might just leave my hair like this tonight, and then I might curl it tomorrow. But I'm going to do my makeup now and get myself all ready for this evening. I'm so excited to see everyone and spend time with my family. I am all ready now. This is my outfit. I just need to decide on what shoes I'm wearing because I don't know. And then it's like that. And we are about to leave. We are slightly late, but it's fine because it only takes 20 minutes to get there. But it is 6:08, so we do need to go. The boys are ready. Say hi. Oh yeah, Harrison's hurt his knee. We are just now waiting on Mum because Dad is meeting us there, and then obviously Brooke is already there working. I wonder if we're going to take the dog. Look how cute he looks. Oh, it's just stretching. Good boy. Rosie's here. Romeo's here. Kai and George here. No, don't do that face.
Do you know that?
Anyone think that it's my birthday? Do you reckon anyone will know? My auntie bought me this tiara and this which says it's my 19th birthday. My nan bought me one as well, but I can obviously put them both on. Just got this one on for tonight. Everyone's here. We just ordered food. I've got a pizza, which is so nice in here. Can't wait to eat it. Yeah, I'm gonna go back in and carry on chatting with everyone.
Happy birthday, dear Lily. Let go of me. Let go of my hips. No one.
Thanks everyone for coming. Really appreciate it. Sorry it's not on my actual birthday. This is my cake. Got my presents, guys. Kai's holding some. Mum's holding my cake. We're going back home now, pretty much. I'm quite tired. I'm probably going to go to bed quite soon. I'm already in my pyjamas. It is 10:47. I've been banished to upstairs. I'm not allowed to go downstairs. I've got a random burst of energy. So I'm now just clearing my room because I've got a few bits on the floor since we was rushing to get out earlier. So just clearing it up and then I'll get into bed. It's really not very long until my birthday now. And I had such a lovely night tonight with everyone. It was so nice. I literally forgot it was my birthday, except for the fact that I literally had a sash and a tiara on. Other than that, I pretty much forgot it was my birthday until the lights turned off and everyone started singing happy birthday. I was like, wait, it's my birthday. I completely forgot. I'm going to finish clearing my room and then just chill out for a bit. So I'll see you guys in the morning when I will be 1 year older. I will be 19 in 1 hour and 10 minutes. I'll see you in the morning.
Happy birthday to you.
Oh, look at this. I've just finished setting up for my class. I've been for lunch, that was so nice. I forgot to film though, very sorry guys. And now I had to quickly come back and get ready to set up for today's class. Let me show you what I have going on. We are decorating cupcakes for my birthday. Got the aprons, buttercream, turntable, and this which we're gonna put sprinkles in. That looks so cute. Hello guys, we're in the car. We're on the way to Thorpe Park. Rosie and George are here. Hello. Say hi. Hi.
Hello.
I'm just doing my hair in my iPad with the straighteners here that Rosie has brought that are wireless. I'm going to show you guys what I'm doing, okay? I'm not doing it properly. Well, it was working before, okay? But we're on our way anyway. We're going to be an hour and 15 minutes. We'll see you there, guys. Bye.
Guys, we are 10 minutes away.
Oh my god, look! Steve! Wait, I don't think that one was Hyperion. I think that one was just
Thorpe Park.
Is this the
Oh my god!
It's so big.
That's the tallest roller coaster in Europe, guys.
Hold on.
Tallest roller coaster in Europe, guys!
We're going on stills. We are just having the best time ever, aren't we, guys? Yeah! Woo! Woohoo! We are now walking over to Hyperia. We went to Stealth 3 times. Me and Kai went, and then we went with Rosie and George twice after. Got Colossus above us here, so we're just going to decide. I think we're going to try and get as many as we can done. We've got like 1 hour until it finishes. Guys, that was unbelievable, guys.
It was really good. I've never been that scared to do something in my life.
That
I didn't
was
even
so
scream.
good.
I was like that.
I screamed.
I was like, as soon as it dropped, I went. I didn't even raise my hands up.
No, that
I
was
thought I was
so
gonna be
good.
sick.
That was so good. Kai really enjoyed it as well, didn't you?
Yeah.
We're going again.